Hello students, welcome to Shorup's classes. So in today's video we'll go with UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we are solving paper number 3. So in today's video we'll first start with question number 31. So in question number 31 it is given, that is, so we have to match two lists. So first it starts with life cycle hypothesis. So we know that life cycle hypothesis, which is option A, so was basically, it was given by F. Modigliani. So F. Modigliani gave the life cycle hypothesis. So for question number A, life cycle hypothesis was given by Modigliani. So we know, then we came to tableau economic. Tableau economica basically was given by, we know it was given by Francois Quesnay. So it was given by Quesnay. So tabular economica was given by Quesnay. Now we'll go to the next one, that is cash balance approach. Cash balance approach was given by Alfred Marshall. And finally organic composition of capital was given by Karl Marx. So we know for this reason, that is, the life cycle hypothesis was given by Modigliani. The tabular economica was given by Quesnay. The cash balance approach was given by Marshall, and organic composition of capital was given by Karl Marx. So for question number 31, we know the right answer would be option 2, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So for this reason, we know the right answer would be option 2. So for question number 31, the right answer is option 2. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 32. So in question number 32, it is given in the following adjoining standard diagram to explain Hicks trade cycle theory, which of the following are true when actual value of MPC and accelerator fall in the region C. So now we have to find out in the adjoining standard diagram to explain Hicks, which of the following is true. So we know for question number 32, we know there will be cyclical fluctuations. So option 1 is the right answer. So we know there will be cyclical fluctuation in it. So for this reason, we know that is in adjoining standard diagram to explain Hicks trade theory, cycle theory, which of the following are true, which actual value of MPC and accelerator fall into the region C. So when actual and value of MPC and the accelerator fall in the region C, there will be oscillation, that is cyclical fluctuation. So we know for this reason, for question number 32, the right answer would be option 1. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 33. In question number 33, it is given for the Harrod's model of growth, which among the following production function best matches with the assumption of the model. So for the Harrod's model of growth, which among the following production function best matches with the assumption of model, we know for this reason, for question number 33, the right answer would be Leontief production function. So for Harrod model of growth, the Leontief production function matches the best. Why? Because basically they attempted to analyze the relation between investment, employment and growth. So what did they do? They basically tried, in this Harrod model of growth, they tried to do what? They basically tried to analyze the relation between, they tried to see the relationship between investment, employment and growth. So they tried to see the relationship between investment, employment and growth. So they tried to analyze the relation between investment, experience and growth. So we know Harrod model tried to show the relationship between investment, experience and growth. And they recognize the dynamics effect that higher employment rate has on capital through income and savings, and develop models where use dynamics led almost certainly to underutilization of resources of production. The basic assumption of Harrod-Domer model. So the basic assumptions were that no technological progress. So we need to remember what the first assumption is, that Leontief aggregate production function. Leontief aggregate production function is the first assumption. The second assumption is that no technological progress. And finally, third is that constant savings rate. And finally, that constant savings rate. And finally, constant savings rate. So three is what? Leontief production function, not technological progress, and constant saving rate. So for this we know Harrod-Domer model of GUIDENCE. Which among the following production function best matches with assumption of this model? It is Leontief production function. So in today's video we solve question number 31 to 33. In the next video we go to the other questions. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showupsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.